Hello everyone, let's talk about the release of Windows 11 version 26H1 because it's driving some confusion. Microsoft is preparing to release Windows 11 version 26H2 in late 2026. At the same time, the company has also released version 26H1 on February 10, 2026, and this overlap is sparking confusion. If you're trying to understand the difference between version 26H2 and 26H1, this guide breaks down the key comparisons to clarify what's actually happening. Although it might seem logical that your device will receive two feature updates in 2026, that's not actually the case. If you have an existing device with a processor from Intel, AMD, or Qualcomm, in this case with a processor released before 2026, your computer will receive only version 26H2. On the other hand, if you purchase a new computer powered by the next generation Qualcomm Snapdragon X2 series processors, your device will ship pre-installed with version 26H1. While Windows 11 version 26H1 is already available, this is a special version of the operating system designed exclusively for ARM-based devices, especially for the next generation of Qualcomm processors expected to release around April 2026. This version was also expected to support the NVIDIA N1X processors. However, it appears that NVIDIA is delaying the release of the silicon as the company continues to prioritize its AI efforts. According to the Microsoft's Windows Help Dashboard support page, version 26H1 is a hardware-optimized release designed to enable the next-generation silicon developed in partnership with device manufacturer and silicon partners. This release will be available exclusively as a pre-install experience on selected devices beginning early 2026, with capabilities tailored specifically for those platforms. And when Microsoft says that it will release version 26H1 with capabilities tailored specifically for those platforms, it is referring to the platform-level optimizations. So you shouldn't expect any new features or visual changes in this release. Now, if we look closely at the wording of this message, you can also see that it says that this release will be available. And that also makes it confusing because at first you would think that this new version is not actually available at this time. However, if we go to the actually release page for version 26H1 and we look at the life cycle, we can see that Windows 11 version 26H1 is already released and the company made it available on February 10th, 2026. So it is available, but at the time of this recording, there are no devices that actually have the capabilities to support this version. So Windows 11 version 26H2 is the actual next version of the operating system expected to release in the fall, and it will be the annual feature update for existing devices running Windows 11. However, although labeled version 26H2, it will share the same platform and core system files as version 25H2, meaning that both versions will be nearly identical. Instead of releasing a full operating system upgrade, Microsoft will deliver version 26H2 as an enabling package. If you are already running version 25H2, then 26H2 will install quickly through Windows Update, and it will simply activate the new features, if applicable, while bumping the version number. No full installation will be required. From a technical standpoint, Windows 11 version 25H2 and 26H2 are fundamentally the same. The primary difference depends on which features Microsoft decides to enable in each update. Now, if you are upgrading from version 23H2 or an older release, you will need to perform a full operating system upgrade or installation to upgrade to version 26H2. Although version 26H2 is a higher number than 26H1, Windows 11 version 26H1 is actually a newer version in terms of the Windows core. As a result, new devices pre-installed with version 26H1 will not receive version 26H2 in 2026. As the company notes, Windows 11 version 26H1 will now be able to update to the next feature update in the second half of 2026. This is because Windows 11 version 26H1 is based on a different Windows core than Windows 11 versions 24H2 and 25H2, and even for the upcoming feature update. These devices will have a path to update in a future Windows release. Although nothing is officially confirmed beyond the statement, it is possible that the company could merge these two versions in a future release, potentially on version 27H2. Okay, so to sum up, Windows 11 version 26H1, it's not an upgrade to version 25H2. The next version of the operating system for existing devices running version 25H2 is version 26H2, which is expected to release sometime in September or October 2026, but that's still not confirmed. Now, Windows 11 version 26H2 will be available as an enabling package for version 25H2. This means that it will not include any significant visual changes as part of the traditional feature upgrades. Instead, Microsoft will continue to roll out new features and improvements throughout cumulative updates throughout the year, and the enabling package will primarily switch the version number and reset the support for another 24 months for consumers and 26 months for businesses. You will only see a full upgrade experience if you're coming from an older version, such as version 23H2, which has already reached the end of support. Although the scope of changes is still evolving, the current development indicates that Microsoft plans to include a new version of the Run command, a new agenda view, and the notification center. And the company is also working to expand the Xbox full screen experience across additional PC form factors. And the company also plans to continue improving File Explorer with a new preload capability. It might also bring Copilot integration into the file manager. And we might also see some changes in the context menu to make it less cluttered. In addition, Microsoft will continue working on Copilot integration into the operating system. However, we still have to see that because Microsoft is now slowing down the integration of AI into the operating system because of all the backlash, but the company will continue to integrate other AI features such as making the operating system agentic. You can also check the link in the description that I have a link to another video highlighting all the new features expected to arrive in 2026. And that's it. That's pretty much all you need to know about Windows 11 version 26H1 and 26H2. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about these releases. Like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. And I just hope this video is informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.